Welcome to the Mommy and Me cooking show. This is Gemma. Say hi, Gemma. Can you say hi? All right, today we're going to be making a Maple Dijon salad dressing. This is a super simple salad dressing that you can make even while holding a baby. Gemma, would you like to hold a spoon? Okay, so I call it the 1-1-1 recipe because you could use it while you have one hand. Actually, speaking of which, I'm gonna twirl her around to my dominant hand, my right hand. You can make it using one hand, and then you're just gonna be using 1 teaspoon of all the ingredients. So today we're going to be using 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon maple syrup. If you don't have maple syrup, you could also use honey or even coconut palm nectar. And then 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard and 1 pinch of sea salt. This is the Whole Foods brand, but I do love using Himalayan salt. And you can also use this brand I love called Real Salt. And it's kind of like, it's sweeter, but it's really, really good quality. And did I mention 1 squeeze of lemon, which is about 1 teaspoon of lemon. All right, so let's get started. So 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And I make this so often that I know really the quantities. But if you are just starting out, just making it for your first time, I would definitely, measure it. But I feel like there are no rules in the kitchen, and to be honest, I rarely measure. I really just measure because people always ask me how much of each ingredient are you using. All right, and then the most exciting part of this is that I actually use my frother that I make my tea lattes with, and of course I wash it really, really well after I make my tea latte. But this really just emulsifies the dressing and it makes it really creamy. And you can also do it while you're holding a babes. All right, here we go. And just in a tall bowl, so it doesn't splatter everywhere, I just mix it up. And here we go. Super creamy, woo! Super creamy, one-handed, 1 teaspoon ingredients, Maple Dijon dressing. So then I just drizzle it onto my salad, and today I have a very, very simple salad with local lettuce, feta cheese, and tomatoes, because to be honest, that's all I had in my fridge. And then I'm gonna top it with some chicken meatballs or chicken sausage for a little extra protein. All right, well, hope this was helpful today. And if you want more Mommy and Me classes, cooking classes, online cooking demos, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Be Well with Arielle, or you could follow me on my blog, bewellwitharielle.com, and I have tons of really simple, healthy, easy, delicious recipes. All right, you wanna say goodbye, Jen? Say bye. Bye. You want to blow a kiss? Yeah, blow a kiss. Mwah. Mwah. Okay, it's time to eat. Bye.